Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glass text effect in Photoshop. So I basically just typed in purple. Oops, let me delete this first. And I made it into a smart object. If you don't know how to do it, it's just right-clicking it and then turning it into a smart object. Then I made the fill to 0%. I'm just going to delete this. Then I went to effects here, go to Bevel and Emboss, and here's the settings. I would say one by one, but it's going to take me forever. So here is the settings for the Bevel and Emboss. You can take a screenshot. So the style is in our bevel, technique, smooth, depth, direction, size, soften, the angle, the gloss contour, the highlight and shadow mode. Also, for the shadow mode, I just made it kind of like the similar color to what I have here. And then this is for the contour. You're just going to tick that. And then this is for the inner shadow. I also use like a similar color. You can kind of adjust it yourself here. And then here's like kind of like the adjustments if you want to see it. I'll just leave it like this, I guess. And then there's the settings, which you can again take a screenshot. This is for the satin effect here, the layer style. Again, blend mode is overlay, and again, I changed the color similar like purple. You're just going to want to take a screenshot of this one, and then this is for the drop shadow one, again, using a similar color for the shadow to make it look like a glass effect. And this will be the final results of your design, your text. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!